speed of our hand is half degree per minute. Do you know these things already?
No, sir.
Okay, if not, you have to memorize them. So minute hand will move faster, and our hand will move faster, as per your knowledge.
Minute hand.
Minute hand. So you can remember this too. Okay, minute hand speed is 6 degree for every minute, and our hand speed is half degree for every minute. So means minute hand will move how much degree in 1 minute?
6 degree.
6 degree. Our hand will move how much degree in 1 minute?
Half degree.
Okay. Minute hand in 2 minutes?
12.
Yeah. Minute hand in 30 minutes?
180.
Minute hand in 40 minutes?
240.
That's all. That is the answer. 240 degree. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Speed of minute hand is
Sir, but it should be an acute angle, right?
Okay. If this option is not available in the option, then you can go with the another angle, that is 360 minus 240. What is that angle?
No, sir, this is in the option, but the angle should be an acute one, right?
No, it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. Every time if you see between two lines, so there are two types of angles. What is the angle here? Tell me.
Right angle.
Right angle means 90 degrees. So I can say this angle between the these two lines will be 270 degrees also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if this is not available in the options, you can search for this one. If this is not there in the options, you can go with this one. Yeah.
Okay,
is
sir.
this 240 is available in the options or not?
Yes, sir, it's available.
Yeah, actually the answer here is 240 only, because he has asked the angle or distance traveled by, traced by or traveled by, both are same. Distance traveled by minute hand from 10 a.m. to 10:40 is 240 degrees only. Actually, we have to give 240 only. We should not give the other angle even for this question. Okay. So
okay, sir.
minute hand started from 10 a.m. So this is 9 and this is 12. This is 10 and this is 12. Sorry, 11. So minute hand started from 10 a.m. and reached 10:40. Sorry, at 10 a.m. minute hand position is at what position? Exactly at 10 a.m. What is the position of minute hand? Exactly at 10 a.m. What is the position of minute hand? I'm asking.
Sir, it's northwest.
No, you can say with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 12 numbers are there in watch, in a clock.
Yes, sir.
Exactly at 10 a.m. what is the position of minute hand? On which number it will show?
Sir, at 12.
Yeah, very good. Minute hand is a number 12 exactly at 10 a.m. And at 10:40, what is the position of minute hand? At 10:40.
At 8.
Yeah, this is number 8. Now, this is the distance traveled or minute hand traced distance is this one. Traced angle is this one. Okay. So here total 360 degree is converted into 360 degree is divided into how many equal parts? In a
2
clock?
equal.
No. Total 360 degree is divided into how many equal parts? Total angle
4
in a clock
equal
is how much?
parts.
Total angle in a clock is how much?
360 degree.
That 360 degrees divided into how many equal parts?
4 parts.
No. Count these parts, number of parts.
So 12 parts, 12 parts.
12 parts. If you divide 360 degree into 12 parts, each part value will be 30 degrees, right? 360 by 12. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 30 degree. Now you can count the number of divisions. That 30 degree nothing but that is the distance or gap between two divisions. So between this point and this point, there is an angle of 30 degree. Okay. So how many divisions are there? Those many 30s. 1 division, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divisions are there. 8 30s.
240.
240 is the angle traced by minute hand. Got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can do in both the ways. You can memorize the speeds of both the hands, or you can do orally also. Orally means for every division there is an angle of 30 degree. So minute hand traveled from number 12 to number 8 means there are 8 divisions. So for every division 30, 8 divisions, 8 30s are 240. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me any other.
Yes, sir. In the given question, find the odd letter from the given alternative. Sir, so the letters are B, N, P, and W.
B,
N,
N,
P,
P,
and W.
W. That's all. Only 4 letters are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So while checking odd man out, try to follow these things. So, and this is for letters. Okay. For letters, first checking is vowel consonant. First checking is vowel consonant. So along with this B, N, P, W, and suppose if U is also there, then what is your answer then? Which is the odd man?
U.
U, because except U, remaining all are consonants. U is the only vowel, right? In that case,
Yes,
answer is
sir.
U. Suppose if U is not there, so actually here U is not there, then here all the letters are consonants only. We are unable to find the odd man using this first point. Yes or no?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we're going for letter position or letter number.
Sir,
Okay.
I think the answer is W for this.
Yes, correct. This is number 2, letter number 2. This is the 14th letter. This is the 16th letter, and it is the 23rd letter. Okay. So compared to the remaining numbers, this number is the odd number. Okay. So then we can say the answer, we can justify the answer in this way. How? Except W, remaining all are even place letters. And this is the only odd place letter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When you are solving letter odd man, so check these two.
So I've done this in another way.
Tell.
Sir, so the number which are in the 5 tens position,
Okay.
sir, no, sir, my method is wrong.
Okay. 5 is E, 10 is J. Okay. Done.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Any doubts? Any more?
Yes, sir, the last doubt.
Tell. Not only last doubt, you can ask.
What was the day on 2nd January 1901?
2nd January 1901.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll do it in a regular method. So first we have to take the year. First we have to take the year. Okay. Just tell me, before this date, before 2nd January 1901, how many years are completed? Is this 1901, 1901st year is completed?
No, sir, started.
Yeah, it is running, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the running year. 1901 is the running year. How many completed years are there?
So before this,
Before this date, how many completed years are there?
1900.
Okay, 1900. So first of all, we have to find the number of odd days in 1900 years. Do you know what is meant by odd day?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then we have to explain calendar concept first. Okay, see. Odd days are days or number of days. Number of days remains remaining after completion of weeks. After completion of weeks. Okay. And based on this point, just tell me. 10 days consists of how many odd days?
3 odd days.
Yeah. Days and odd days. My pen is stucking. Why I don't? Okay. 10 days consists of 3 odd days.
3 odd days.
Then 15 days consists of
1 odd day.
1 odd day. 45 days consists of
3 odd days.
3 odd days. January consists of every January consists of how many days actually?
31.
In 31, how many odd days are
3
there?
odd days.
Yes, very good. Because 28 is divisible by 7. That's why remaining 3. So here what you are doing? You are dividing the given number by 7, right?
Yes, and the remainder is the odd days.
Yeah, remainder is the odd days. Did you attend it for a calendar topic?
No, sir.
Okay. Remainder is the odd days. Okay. Then tell me. What is a leap year?
So where the year is divisible by 4, it has 1 extra day. In February.
In February. What is the date? Is it fixed or it will vary?
Sir, it varies year to year.
No, it will not vary. So 29th.
Sir,
Okay.
like in leap year, it will change and...
Yeah, for non-leap year and leap year, it will change. But for every leap year, it will be Feb 29 only.
Sir, it will be same.
Yeah, for every leap year, Feb 29 is the extra day. And other than this, remaining all are non-leap years only. Tell me, by seeing year number, can you identify whether it is a leap year or non-leap year? Tell me, this one is a leap year or non-leap year?
Sir, non-leap year.
Yeah, how can you say?
Sir, this is not divisible by 4.
Yeah, what is the divisibility rule for 4?
Sir, last 2 numbers should be divisible by 4.
Yeah, number formed by last 2 digits. Yeah, 94 is divisible by 4 or not divisible?
Not divisible.
That's why it is not a leap year. So normal year or ordinary year, or we can say non-leap year also. Okay. And then tell me, 2014 is a leap year or non-leap year?
Non-leap year.
Non-leap year because 14 is not divisible. In the same way, tell me, 1904 is it a leap year or non-leap year?
Leap year.
Leap year because 4 is divisible by
4 is divisible by 4.
Yes. In the same way, tell me, Jivika, are you there? Jivika.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. You also has to respond. Okay. You also have to respond. Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
Vedika, is it
Sir,
a leap year or not?
divisible by 4. It's a leap year.
No, it is not a leap year. Okay. Yeah, whatever you mentioned, divisibility by 4, that is not 100%. Okay. So see the actual rule to decide a leap year. Except centuries. Except centuries. Except centuries. Any year divisible by 4 is a leap year. Okay, except
Sir,
centuries.
but 1900 is a leap year. It's divisible by 4, right?
That is what I'm telling. That rule is for except centuries. There is an exemption for that rule. That is exempted for centuries. Is it not a century, 1900?
So it is a century.
Yeah, for centuries, we have another rule. That is what I'm telling. See, except centuries,
Okay, sir.
any year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. But for centuries, check the divisibility. Check the divisibility by 400. Okay. For normal years, we have to check divisibility by 4. But for centuries, we have to check the divisibility by 400. Now tell me 1900 by 400. Is it divisible by 400?
Sir, not divisible.
Yeah, two zeros gets cancelled, but 19 is not divisible by 4. That's why it is not a leap year. It is a normal year or ordinary year, 1900. Okay, and one more thing, tell me. 1800. Leap year or non-leap year?
Non-leap year.
Non-leap year, yes. 2100.
Non-leap year.
2000.
Leap year.
Leap year. 2400.
Leap year.
Leap year. 2200.
Non-leap year.
Yes, it is also not a leap year. Okay. Now you got the idea about leap year and non-leap year. And if I give certain duration, can you find number of leap years in that duration?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just tell me. 3 consecutive years consists of how many leap years? How many confirmed leap years? 3
Sir?
consecutive years.
Sir, 1 or 0.
Yes, very good. So our answer is can't say. Yes or no? If you want
Yes.
possibilities, we can say either 0 or 1. In 4 consecutive years?
1 leap year.
Yes, 1 leap year will be there. 1 leap year will be there. In 5 consecutive years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
So it can be 1 or 2.
1 is guaranteed, right?
Yes, sir.
Second, we can't say. So I'm asking how many definite leap years? How many confirmed leap years?
1.
1. In 7 years?
1.
1. In 8 years?
1. 2.
Yeah, in 8 years it is 2. 2 is guaranteed. In the same way, tell me, in 15 years?
3.
3 guaranteed. In 25 years?
6.
6 guaranteed. In 47 years?
10. 12. 11. Sir, 11.
Yeah, 11, right. In 65 years?
It's 16.
16. What you are doing actually? You are dividing the
Sir,
given number by
4.
And your answer is a remainder or quotient?
Sir, quotient.
Yes, quotient is your answer. Whatever may be the remainder, you leave out that remainder, and quotient will give number of leap years. Okay, when you divide any number by 7, remainder will give number of odd days. Got it?
Yes, sir.
When you divide number by 4, quotient will give number of leap years. Yeah, in the same way, tell me, 100 years consists of how many leap years?
Sir,
Suppose
25.
consider these are first 100 years. First 100 years consists of how many leap years?
25.
25 guaranteed?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir, 24 because 100 is a century. 100
Yeah,
years a century.
very good. 100th year is a century. For century, we have to check the divisibility by 400. Because 100 is not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year. So because 100th year is not a leap year, there will be only 24 leap years. 24 leap years will be there in first 100 years. Yes or no? Suppose 100 years to
Yes,
200
sir.
years. How many leap years will be there?
Sir, 24.
200 to 300.
24.
300 to 400.
24.
No. 300 to 400 I'm asking. Because 400 is
25.
a century. So 25 will be there.
25.
Yeah, 25 leap years will be there. So in the same way, we'll do one more thing. Yeah, and one more thing, tell me, one normal year consists of how many, sorry, actually this is not the case. We'll go back to this one, odd days. I came back to odd days, okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is meant by odd days?
Sir, if we divide by 7, the rest of the days are called odd days.
Yeah. After dividing the given number exactly by 7, and the remainder will give number of odd days. And in the same way, tell me, one normal year consists of how many odd days? One normal year consists of how many days actually?
365.
365. When you divide it by 7, what is the remainder? 5 times it is 35. And here it is
52.
Yeah, very good. 15. 2 times it is 14. And the remainder is
1.
1. So can I say one normal year equal to 52 weeks plus 1 day?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that plus 1 day, nothing but odd day. Okay, one normal year
Okay,
consists
sir.
of how many odd days?
1 odd day.
One leap year consists of
2 odd days.
2 odd days, because there will be 366 days. That's why. In the same way, tell me, 4 leap years consists of
8 odd days.
8 odd days. Can you get 8
So
as the
1 odd
remainder?
day. 1 odd day.
Yes, very good. So whenever this number is exceeding 7, we have to divide it by 7 and we have to keep the remainder again. So there is a range for odd days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is that range? Range of odd days is
1 to 6.
1 to 6 or 0 to 6?
0 to 6.
Yeah, 0 to 6. Odd days always ranges from 0 to 6. Okay. So 4 leap years means actually 4 to the 8, but we should not say 8. So remove that 7 and extra 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, tell me, 100 years consists of how many odd days? Not 100 days, okay. 100 years consists of how many odd days? So here we have to do in this way. See, first of all, we have to split these
Sir,
100
0
years.
odd days.
No. We have to split these 100 years into leap plus non-leap. In 100 years, how many leap years will be there? Just now we discussed that. In 100 years, how many leap years are
24.
there? 24 leap years, and the remaining 76 non-leap years, right?
Normal days.
Yeah, one leap year consists of how many odd days?
2 odd days.
24 leap years consists of 48 days. Yes or no?
1 odd days.
No. 48 when divided by 7, remainder is 42 is divisible.
Sir, 6 odd days.
6 odd days. Then one normal year consists of how many odd days?
6.
One normal year consists of how many odd days?
1 odd day.
76 normal years consists of how many odd days? 76 only. Yes or no? 76 when divided by 7, what is the remainder?
6.
6. 6 plus 6 is
12.
12 means how many odd days again? 12
5.
consists of how many? Yeah, 5. So there are 5 odd days in first 100 years. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 100 years consists of 5 odd days. 100 years consists of 5 odd days. Then tell me, 200 years consists of?
3 odd days.
Very good. 300 years consists of?
1 odd day.
Very good. 400 years consists of?
0 odd day.
How it will be 0? Tell me, explain.
Sir, because 400 is divisible by 400.
Yeah, correct. So actually 100 4 times is 400, then 5 4 times is 20. But because 400th year is a leap year, we have to add one more day. So 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 is exactly divisible by 7. That's why 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the same way, tell me, 500 years consists of how many odd days?
1.
No. In these 500 years, up to 400 years, how many odd days?
0.
Then remaining 100 years?
5.
5. Okay. In 600 years, how many odd days?
3.
700 years?
Sir, so again the pattern will continue.
Yes. 700 years it is 1. 1. And 800 years it is
0.
0. When will be the next 0?
Sir, it's 1200.
Yeah, it will be at 1200. Next 0?
1600.
1600. Next 0?
2000.
So can I say, generally we'll say for every 4 years there is a leap year. Yes or no? Generally.
Yes, sir.
And with respect to 2 centuries, the same statement can be stated in this way. For every 400 years, there is a leap year.
Yes.
With respect to centuries, for every 400 years, there will be a leap year. And here we can give one more statement. For every 400 multiple number of years, odd days will be 0.
Yes.
Okay. Odd days. Odd days equal to 0. Yeah. Now coming to your your question. What is that question? Yeah, this one. 2nd January 1901. So before this year, before this date, how many years are completed?
1900.
So we have to split this 1900 like this. So 1600 plus 300. That's all right.
Yes, sir.
300. So up to 1600 years, how many odd days?
Sir, 0 plus 1. So the 1 odd day.
0. And here it is plus 1. 1. So 1 odd day. So in 1900 years, how many odd days are there?
1 odd.
1 odd day. And the 1901 year means 19 first year. 19 first year is completed up to
2nd January.
So 1901 first year.
Sir, so 3 odd days.
Yeah, altogether it is 3. Up to 2nd. 2nd January. My pen is not working. January, okay. So January consists of 2 odd days. That's why 2. 2 days. That's why 2. So altogether it is overall number
3
of
odd days.
3 odd days. So based on odd day, how to say the day? Based on odd day, the day is. So in this method, we have to start a 0 at Sunday. Sorry, 0 at Sunday. 0 at Sunday. So then 1 will be
Monday,
Monday. 2,
Tuesday,
Tuesday. 3,
Wednesday,
that's all. What is our answer now?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, based on this. Let us take one more sample question so that it will be memorized. Process will be habituated. Give me any other date. Do you know when we got independence?
1945.
No. Independence Day.
1947, sir.
1947 date is
15th August.
yes. And can you say the day? On what day of the week we got independence? Don't know.
Sir, 1 minute.
Sorry.
Sir, 1
Sir,
minute.
give me
Answer.
2 minutes.
You are checking in Google.
No, sir, I'm solving.
Okay, solving. Okay, very good. Yeah. First to find number of odd days in 1947 or 6?
6.
Yeah. First to find number of odd days in 1946 years and later find number of odd days in 1947 year up to August 15. Shall we do? Or you are okay? If you are okay,
Yes, sir.
then you can. Otherwise, we will do.
Sir, I'm having a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, so first we have to divide 1946 by 6 and
No.
then
Why 6?
I mean 7.
No.
4. Sir, 4
No, no, no,
and then we have to divide it by 7, right?
no, no. So split this number 1946 in the multiples of 400. Okay, first 400. So 1600 is the 400 multiple, right? Nearest to 400 multiple is 1600. Plus how much? 1946. 1600 plus how much? Are you there?
346.
346. That 346 also split in this way, 300 plus 46. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Up to 1600 years, how many odd days?
0.
In 300 years, how many odd days?
1 odd day.
So this 46 we have to split into leap and non-leap years. Okay. In 46 years, how many leap years will be there?
11.
Yes, 11 leap years, and the remaining
35.
35 non-leap years or normal years. So every leap year consists of how many odd days?
0.
Every leap year consists of how many odd days?
2 odd days.
2 odd days. 11 leap years consists of
1 odd day.
22 actually. 22 when divided by 7 will get 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 35. Every normal year consists of how many odd days?
1 odd day.
35 normal years.
0 odd.
Yeah, actually it is 35, but it is exactly divisible by 7. That's why 0. So overall number of odd days are
2 odd days.
2 odd days. 2. Next, we need to find number of odd days in this duration also. First this one and later this one. Tell me, we have to find number of odd days up to August 15. Where to start? From where we have to start? From January. Yeah, January consists of how many odd days?
31.
Odd days, sir. In 31 days, how many odd days?
5.
No, you already mentioned that.
3 odd days.
Yeah, see here. This is what you said. You only said this.
3 odd days.
Yeah, January consists of 31 days. 31 days means 28 plus 3. January, 3 odd days. Next, February. As this is a
0.
non-leap year, it will be 0. March,
3.
3. April,
2.
2. 6, 2. And May,
3.
June,
2.
July,
3.
August.
1.
Yeah, actually 3 if you consider total month, but here total month is not required. We are taking up to 15th only. That's why 1. So altogether, how many odd days are there? See how to take the odd days here is one way is add all the numbers and divide it by 7, then remainder. Yes or no?
3 odd days.
Adding all the numbers divided by 7, remainder. That is one way. And another way is cancelling 7 multiples.
Yes, after adding, we have to cancel the 7.
Even without adding also we can. See here, 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. We don't need 7 multiples, right? We need only remainder.
Yes, sir. 3 odd
That's
days.
why 2 plus 3 plus 2 is also 7 and the remaining is 3. So total number of odd days are?
3.
No, total.
5.
5. Based on this 5, say the answer. Start 0 at Sunday. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Friday.
Yes, we got independence on
Friday.
Friday. So practice some more questions, then it will be understood and it will be habituated.
Yes.
Any more questions are there in your paper based on calendar? We'll do those questions also.
No, sir. I checked the paper. There are no calendar questions.
There are some questions, I think, in today's paper. Somebody sent, you only sent some papers. Okay. Calendar questions are not there in this paper. This. When you have exam?
Sir, on 17th.
17th. Okay.
And I have 14th the mock test.
14th is a mock test and 17th the actual test.
Yes, sir.
Even after mock test also, we'll discuss that paper also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, there are no questions. And
Sir, can you explain few doubts like the Venn diagram and counting the triangles or the squares in the figure?
I will discuss those things. Okay, in 1 or 2 days.
Sorry, I had a similar doubt.
This type of questions, right? You're asking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I will tell those things, how to count those figures. And any more Venn diagrams, right? Venn diagram questions are there in these papers.
Sir, I saw them in
Yeah.
the
There is a
mock
question.
test.
See here, there is a question. Venn diagram.
Yes, sir.
This circle represents Indians. This circle represents singers. This circle represents, sorry, leaders and singers. So here the question is, which region denotes Indian leaders who are not singers? So he is asking for Indian and leader intersection part, but in that intersection also, singer should not be there. Okay.
Sir, 2.
Yes, that's all. So if you take Indians and leaders a common portion, it will be 2 plus 3. And in that it is not singers, as he mentioned, it is not singers, 3 will be cancelled. Then only 2 is the answer. Okay. Can I ask some
Sir,
more
I
questions?
can solve these kind of question, but they give more more circle, triangle, and square in that. So
Whatever may be the diagram, the way you thought now is same. Let me ask some more questions for the same diagram. Okay. Can I?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Tell me how many leaders are there? How many leaders can sing?
5.
No.
Sir, 8. 8.
Yeah, that is 3 plus 5. How many leaders can sing? So means leaders and singers in intersection part. This one is the portion. So tell me how many Indian singing leaders are there?
7.
No. No.
Sir,
3.
9.
No. 3 is the correct answer. Indian singing leaders means I'm asking for all the 3 intersection part. All the 3 circles are intersecting at what? In which region?
3.
Yeah, that is 3. Got it? Okay, tell me
Yes, sir.
how many Indians? How many Indians cannot sing? How many Indians cannot sing?
2.
No.
1.
No.
3.
Yeah. How you got the 3?
So because the Indians are 1, the most of the part, and leaders are 2.
Yes. So here you should not mention anything about leader, because leader is not mentioned in this question. Indians and singers. So this is Indian circle and this is singer circle. Yes or no? Ignore leaders. Okay. Ignore leader circle. This is Indian circle and this is singer circle. So he is asking for how many Indians cannot sing, means you have to remove singing portion. After removing singing portion, how many numbers are remaining in Indian circle?
1.
1 and 2. You are removing only singer circle, right? This
Yes,
circle.
sir.
How many numbers are remaining in Indian circle?
3.
Actually, Indian circle consists of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But in this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 can sing. He is asking for cannot sing.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 1 plus 2. Yeah, just tell me. I'm asking one more question. How many leaders? Tell me the number of leaders or singers. And one more thing. How many leaders and singers? And one more question. Either leaders or
Sir, for all the question, the answer is 17.
for all the questions. No.
Yes, sir.
And one
Sir,
more.
for the fifth one, it's 17.
Neither leaders nor singers.
Sir, for fifth one, it's 17. Seventh one is 1.
Neither leaders nor nor singers is. Yes, that is very good. That is one is correct. One is correct for this question, seventh question, because.
Sir, and fifth one, 17.
So here, because we have to eliminate, we have to remove leader circle as well as singer circle. After removing leader circle and singer circle, we remain with only one, number 1. And can you say other type of question for the same question? Another way of asking the same question. Neither leaders and nor singers. Ask the same question in any other way.
Leader.
Very good, correct.
Only Indians.
Yes, only Indians is correct. Only Indians. We can ask in another way, in this way also, only Indians. Neither leaders nor singers. We can also ask it as only Indians. Yeah, for these 3, 5, what is your answer for 5? 17.
Sir, 17.
How you got that answer? Tell me.
Sir, I've removed Indians, and then I added the rest of the parts.
Okay, except that one.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the answer for this?
17.
Which one? 4 or 5? I think you are saying for both.
Sir, let me do it once.
Okay.
Sir, 27.
Which one?
Sir, for 5.
For 5 it is 27. For 4? And I don't understand how you got that 17. Tell me again.
Sir, no, sir, for 5 is 27.
Okay, actually that is not 17, that is 27.
Yes.
That is what you are saying. Okay. This is 10, 27. Okay. For which question it is 27? 4 or 5 or 6?
Fifth. 5.
No. What about Jivika?
Sir, I'm solving the 4th question. I got the 5th answer though.
5th answer. Tell me. What is that answer?
It's Sir, I got 27 as the
27.
5th answer.
No. Do
No,
you
sir,
have
27.
No. Do you have probability?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I think you know Venn diagrams concepts, right? There are some
Yes.
notations like
Yes,
union,
sir.
intersection, union. You have
Yes,
come
sir.
across those things. So see, anywhere if it is end, we have to treat it as intersection. From this time onwards, we have to we have to treat it as intersection. If it is OR case, we have to treat it as union. Now you can answer, right? So here in 4th question, he is asking for intersection or union. Tell me.
Sir, I didn't understand.
So in the question, if it is and, we have to consider it as intersection. This one. If it is
Sir,
in the
for
question, if
4th,
it is
it's
or.
3.
For fourth question, is it intersection or union?
Union.
Union. So I think you don't have idea on intersection and union. Let me explain here in this place. I'm taking two circles. This is circle A and this is circle B. This is circle A and circle B. In this, I want to shade A intersection B. In this circle, I want to shade A union B. Okay. Now tell me in first picture, what is the shaded part? Where to shade?
Sir, the A and B part except the middle one.
No, that is what you are doing mistake. Intersection, nothing but we have to take only common part. That is what intersection means. This symbol is intersection. Okay. So
Sir, I
union
thought
means,
that was union.
union means, tell me.
Sir, except the middle part, except the intersection, we have to shade that.
Again you committed mistake. So that is total part. Union, nothing but the total part. Okay, this is union. And for what you are telling is, your answer is correct for this one. See, this is A and it is B and this is the third picture. If you take this one, this is for either A or B. Got it?
Yes, sir.
There is one more question. Sixth question is either or only. Simply
Yes.
remember, if it is there in the common part, it is intersection. If it is means if you take any one element, it should be belong to both. In case of intersection, it should be belong to both. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In case of union, if you take any one element, it maybe belongs to A or it maybe belongs to B or it can be belongs to both also. Both is also allowed in case of or, but both is not allowed in case of either or.
Yes, sir.
If you take any one element, it should be belong to either A or B. Means it should not be belong to both. Yeah, now you can give your answers for this. Fourth question, now tell me.
Sir,
Leaders,
can you show the diagram?
leaders, union, singers. So for this, I will tell you shortcut. Shortcut, nothing but first write all the numbers in leaders. Tell all the numbers in leaders.
6, 2, 3, 5.
3 plus 5. Okay. Now, without repeating the same number, tell the other numbers.
4
remaining
and
numbers.
7.
4 plus 7. That's all. That is your answer for or.
Sir, but it said only leaders and singers, right? Not the Indian.
Yeah, Indians, ignore Indians. I'm not telling Indians. I don't consider Indians also here. So because those numbers are available in leaders, I'm considering them. Ignore Indians. As
Okay,
if
sir.
there are only two circles like this. Are these two numbers are there or not there?
So that.
Yeah. Then Indians is not there. Don't consider Indians. Ignore Indians. So write
Okay,
all the
sir,
leader numbers, then remaining numbers in the singles. If you add up, this will be the answer. Now tell me answer for this second question. And nothing but. And nothing
So
but
we have to
intersection.
add all.
Intersection
Yes,
means
sir,
what?
intersection 5.
No. Again, you are telling mistake. This is the intersection part.
Sir,
Leaders and singers intersection part consists of which numbers?
sir, 26, 5, 4 and 7.
Oh, 5 plus 3, that's all.
Sir, then what about 7 and 6?
See, this is the intersection, right?
Yes, sir.
This A is the Indian circle. Sorry. This A is the leader circle. This B is the singer circle. We have to take only common part. Common part consists of what numbers? Leaders and singers.
3 and
Common parts.
5.
3 and 5. That's all. 3 and 5. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now tell me for either leaders or singers. Either leaders or
Sir,
singers.
13.
Yeah, let me tell you one shortcut method for this also. What is the shortcut is? First write all the leaders part without singers. Tell me all leader numbers without singers.
6 plus 2.
Yeah, 2 plus 6. Then tell singer part without leaders.
4 plus 7.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay, so here I'm writing the shortcut point. See, and means intersection, only common numbers. Only common numbers. Next, or means union. We have to take all the numbers. We have to take all the numbers, but only once without repeating. Okay, and what is the other thing? That is either or. So either or nothing but, can I say by observing the diagrams, by observing these 3 diagrams, 1, 2 and 3, can I say it is either or nothing but union minus intersection?
Yes, sir.
From this total part we are subtracting middle part, intersection
Yes, sir.
part. So then we are getting either or. So here, if it is either A or B, suppose if it is either A or B, then it is
Union
nothing.
minus intersection.
And without doing, and even the question is asked for either or also, without doing union and intersection, how to say the answer is? First write all the numbers in A without B. Yes or no? A without
Yes,
B.
sir.
And then take B without A. That is what we have done in the last question number 6. We have considered leaders without singers, then considered singers without leaders.
Yes, sir.
And before that question, 5th question, what is our shortcut for intersection? Only
the common part.
numbers. And for 4th question, what is our shortcut? Union.
Only we should leave the common part and take the rest.
No, again doing mistake. Or means it includes union. Sorry, union means,
Sir, all the part.
Whole part. Whole part means consider all the numbers, but without repeating. We have to take all of them once only. You just practice these things. Okay, these 3 things, and we can do
Yes,
many
sir.
questions. We can do more questions so that this thing will be memorized. If you know this thing, it will be very much helpful for your exams.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and shall we wind up?
Okay, sir.
Okay, be ready with your all your doubts in the next session, and whatever we have discussed and those topics also try to practice. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the next class.
Okay, sir.
And whenever you got a doubt, you can post me in WhatsApp also. I will respond whenever I got free time. I will.
Sir, shared you the homework of yesterday's class.
Yes, but you did not write the conclusion points. I already asked you conclusions also.
Okay, sir. I forgot and write it.
What are the conclusions you need to write is this one. Take a screenshot. This one. Letter, mirror image same. Letter, water image same. Letter, mirror image and water image is same. Mirror image and water image same without irrespective of letter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, along with those things, right?
Sir, what is the 4th one? Like other letters.
Suppose if you take a letter like S or N, if you take a letter like N, what is its mirror image? 2 vertical lines.
Sir,
2 vertical lines. There is a slanting line like this. Okay. What is its water image? Again, 2 vertical lines. There is a slant line like this. Okay. Are these images are matching with the given letter?
No, sir. Sir, the
Or these
mirror
two?
and water image is same.
Yeah, these two are same, but these two are not matching with the given letter. So this is our conclusion for this. For fourth conclusion, this is one of the letter. You have to list out all those letters like this.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Yeah, there are some letters in which all the letters are all the things are same. Its mirror image is same, water image is same. Even that those
Sir,
images also match with the given letter. Yeah, like wo mirror image is same and water image is same, and even those things are matching with the given letter. Okay, so that list you have to mention here. This list you need to mention here.
okay, sir.
Okay, right. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah.